Yes, good evening. This new law focuses on 4th and 5th graders, and it will stop schools from suspending them for minor misbehavior such as talking in class or falling asleep.
Expelling students, I think, is an extreme. I think some extreme situations call for extreme measures, but no, generally I don't think expelling students is going to help the situation.
Allie LeMay, mom and substitute teacher, says she's in support of Senate Bill 419 that has been signed into law by Governor Newsom on Monday. The law would prohibit indefinitely the suspension or expulsion of a student enrolled in a school district or charter school, grades 4th and 5th, for willfully defying authority, which can include minor misbehaviors such as refusing to take off a hat, talking back, or falling asleep in class.
Data can show that Black students, Latino students are disproportionately, sometimes even as 4 times higher suspension rates than their white peers.
Cecilia Castro from the Dolores Herte Foundation says they partner with organizations statewide that are working against the, quote, push out against the students of color called the Fix School Discipline Coalition, and says they assisted in getting this legislation passed.
This will really protect students. It's going to make sure that students stay in school, that we remove the punitive practices, but really shift to a positive school climate.
The current existing law prohibits the suspension of a student enrolled in kindergarten through 3rd grade, showing willful defiance. Now, this new bill will include 4th and 5th graders. It will also prohibit grades 6th through 8th from being suspended. Not all are in agreement with the new law. Some say it's taking away necessary authority from individuals in the school system.
No, I think it should be left up to the teachers in the school district. I don't think coming from governor is going to make it any different, because he's not in the trenches. He's not there in the classroom.
The Kern County Superintendent's Office released this statement regarding the new law. The most productive place a student can be during the day is at school learning. As educators, it's our obligation to ensure there are appropriate interventions and supports in place for all students.
This new law will take effect in 2020. Live in Bakersfield, Leslie Gooden, 23 ABC News, connecting you.